Here we are at Swanage. Look at the view. Look at the lovely view. Everywhere, huh? Pier up there where you park your car. Look at the view. Beautiful. Yeah, we just got down at Swanage now, me and Carl. Seagulls. It's cold, mate. Having a vape, but they give us away. Hey, they remind me of when Jaws was made and they put those balls on them and he went down under. Do you remember?
Yeah, they're
Buoys. We're going to move on now. It's getting cold standing there. Down here. Hang on a minute. Got to be colder. I think, can you just hold that pipe?
We need to get back here at
4 o'clock. Can you just
By 4.
hold my phone?
Good won't be here that much.
Just have a wander in the sea with it for a minute while I get my jacket on. It's cold. Thank you, son.
Still going.
Yeah. And we're taking a walk down here. Little cafe over there. Excuse me, coughing. Just walking down here